Protect your creative vision without distracting your audience by mastering the art of the transparent watermark in CapCut. First, open your CapCut project and select the video clip you want to watermark. You'll want to add your watermark as a separate layer on top of your main video. Tap the plus icon to add your watermark. You can either use a pre-made image file of your watermark, or if it's text, you can create it directly within CapCut. If you're adding text, tap on text, then add text. Type in your desired watermark text. I'll use my channel name here. You can then customize the font, color, and size to match your brand. If you're using an image, navigate to overlay and then add overlay. Select your watermark image file. You'll see your watermark appear on the timeline above your main video clip. Now for the magic ingredient, transparency. With your watermark layer selected, look for the opacity option, tap on it, and you'll see a slider. Drag this slider down to a lower percentage, typically between 20% and 40%, until your watermark is subtly visible but doesn't overpower your video content. Experiment to find what looks best. Next, position your watermark, tap and drag the watermark on the preview screen to your desired location. Common spots include a corner, like the bottom right or left, or centered and less prominent. You can also pinch to resize it. For a professional touch, consider placing it in a corner that won't obstruct key elements of your video. I'll place mine in the bottom right corner and make it a little smaller to be discreet. Finally, ensure your watermark lasts for the entire duration of your video. Simply drag the ends of the watermark layer on the timeline to match the length of your main video clip. And there you have it, a professional, transparent watermark that protects your content without hindering your viewers' experience.